In today's rapidly changing construction industry, being a civil engineer requires much more than a strong grasp of concrete, steel, or technical drawings. The profession is now shaped by complex challenges: the shortage of skilled talent, the relentless pressure of project deadlines, the demand for higher quality, and the fast shift toward digital technologies. To not only survive but truly thrive in this environment, civil engineers must cultivate a set of essential skills that extend far beyond traditional technical knowledge. Which of these challenges do you think is the most pressing for civil engineers right now? Share your thoughts in the comments before we dive deeper. The first foundation remains technical mastery. Civil engineers must be proficient with core tools such as CAD, Civil 3D, and BIM, since these are the building blocks of modern design and execution. Yet what sets apart the most successful professionals is adaptability, the willingness to step beyond familiar methods and embrace innovation. Technology evolves quickly, and engineers who continuously learn, upgrade their skills, and adopt new tools will maintain their relevance and remain competitive. In an industry where digital transformation is accelerating every year, adaptability is no longer just an advantage, it is the key to sustaining long-term success. Equally critical is quality and risk management. A single error in design can lead to massive cost overruns and long-lasting reputational damage. Modern civil engineers must adopt habits of precision and integrate systematic approaches to controlling risk. Creating multi-layered systems of review, combined with a Kaizen mindset of continuous improvement, minimizes errors and brings greater confidence to all stakeholders. In today's environment, quality management is not just a technical step at the end, but a skill embedded in every stage of an engineer's work. Collaboration has also become central. A brilliant idea only becomes valuable when it is communicated clearly and implemented effectively within a team, because even the best technical solution cannot succeed in isolation. The ability to work seamlessly across multiple stakeholders, cultures, and geographies transforms projects from good to exceptional, ensuring that complex requirements are aligned and potential conflicts are resolved early. Engineers who excel at communication not only reduce misunderstandings but also build trust and long-term partnerships, while creating an environment where innovation, transparency, and collective problem-solving become everyday practice. Time and project management are equally vital. With fluctuating workloads and constant deadline pressure, engineers need to prioritize effectively, stay agile, and deliver under tight schedules, because even the most advanced technical design loses value if it cannot be delivered on time. Strong time management also means anticipating risks, balancing resources, and adapting quickly when project scopes change. Leveraging strategies such as time zone advantages or dual-shift approaches demonstrates how organizational models and effective time management can directly create value in real projects, turning what could be delays into opportunities for faster delivery and higher client satisfaction. Beyond technical skills, civil engineers need to develop a leadership mindset. Leadership is not limited to formal positions of authority, but is about taking ownership, being proactive, and always seeking improvement, even in the smallest details of a project. A true leadership mindset helps engineers anticipate challenges instead of simply reacting to them, fosters confidence among colleagues, and builds resilience in teams facing high pressure. At AXA Engineers, the company has invested heavily in fostering this through the ATED program. It proved that when engineers are empowered, they create impact well beyond their tasks, shaping not only the outcome of individual projects but also the long-term culture and success of the organizations they serve. Taken together, the essential skills for civil engineers today extend across 5 dimensions: technical adaptability, rigorous quality management, effective communication, strong time management, and a leadership mindset. AXA Engineers shows that when engineers are placed in an environment that nurtures both skills and mindsets, these qualities do not just exist, they flourish. The philosophy of where engineers thrive, not just perform, illustrates a deeper truth. When engineers are empowered to grow, projects are not only completed successfully, but also create long-lasting value for communities and the future of the profession. Which of these 5 skills do you believe is the most important for shaping the future of civil engineering? Let us know in the comments, and stay connected with AXA Engineers for more insights.